In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get the latest version of Rumble app by updating it. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so by updating your Rumble app, you'll be able to fix any security issues as well as performance issues that might be associated with the Rumble app. To update this app, you need to go ahead and look for Play Store on your Android smartphone and then go ahead and search for Rumble just like this. Now this will take you to Rumble. Here is Rumble Stream and Watch Video app. As you can see, we have an update, which means I've been using an outdated version of Rumble app, which might not be secure and might not contain the latest features. To update it, just tap on update, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of Rumble app and then install it on my smartphone. Once the app has been installed, now you can proceed and open it to start using this app. So that's how you can get the latest version of Rumble app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.